Good morning, everyone. Welcome on into North Dakota today. Hi, John David.
Hello.
Great to have you.
Well, it's great to be had.
We are, I bet it is. So
Happy
chipper on
Thursday.
our Thursday. Yes, of course. Perfect. Bringing the good vibes. We're scrapbooking. We're creating memories and getting crafty. Tell us about what we're doing this morning.
So we're going to be scrapbooking. Okay, and so I got this scrapbook here at Michael's. I got most of this at Michael's, actually. It was discounted. It was really great. It's great to shop there.
Yeah, that's
sounds like it's commercial. It's not. It's just one person's input.
Not sponsored.
No. So yeah, here's this scrapbook. It's red, you know, to go with Valley News Live, and I took out some pages for it. And so we got these right here. Yep, and so as we came on, I was cutting out a picture of myself to put in this scrapbook.
And I thought, well, where's my magazine with my cover to cut out of myself? I missed the ball on that one, everybody.
Yeah, whoopsie. And so I've got some other items too. I've got some ink and some stamps. Yeah. And these, it's rainbows and suns and hearts and clouds.
Cute.
On these stamps here. Yep, so this is pretty swell.
And some beautiful flowers.
Oh yeah, flowers.
Some little emoji stickers.
Yep, stickers too that have phrases on them. Choose happiness, be beautiful, believe in yourself.
Amen.
You know, yeah, think good thoughts. There we go.
Do these stick or do I need glue?
Oh yeah, and so there's something to adhere it right here. So you can take that and just kind of...
Perfect. Okay, we love this.
Yep, and there's washi tape as well. And so I guess the first thing I ought to talk about is just work with the supplies you have. You know, so many people, when they're working on these sorts of projects, try and make them as perfect as they can. And I guess that's the next point. You know, try not to make it perfect. Just try and be inspired. Yeah. Right? Try and make something. Yeah. You know? And so anyway, just work with what you have. Yes, it can. I've noticed that too. Some people introduce themselves as perfectionists in some of the classes I teach. You know, I'm a perfectionist. And I say, well, that's kind of like trying to stay in bed all day. You know, after a while, you just can't do it.
Yeah. I don't know.
and some perfectionists say, I don't know.
I might be proving that in another way. That's funny though.
Yes, it is.
So yes, take what you got, whatever you have at home, whatever.
Yeah, scraps. You know, it's like that's really just save money. You know, put something together. Make a great page.
And then Miss Sophia over there, you have your book too that you brought in.
I'm gonna work on this page, but I think I'm also gonna show a little sneaky peek. Maybe I'll inspire you guys.
Oh, yes.
That is cute. It's already pink and bedazzled.
Yeah,
it's
of course.
Very
in
much
true Sophia fashion.
Yeah.
So it has NDSU.
I was gonna say it's giving Elle Woods.
Bedazzles in it.
It's legally blonde Elle Woods right there. Very cute.
Do we
love that.
Okay, perfect. All right, I will show.
That's great.
So here's one from my sophomore year of college. So these are just a lot of my friends, my sisters in there. Can we see that?
So you actively have been keeping up with your and printing off your photos.
Yeah, I've been keeping up. This is like my life's work.
Wow, thank you for sharing that.
Yeah.
It's my life's work.
And they can become so meaningful scrapbooks.
So yeah, it's not quite done because like I just went to Paris. So here's my Paris page.
Oh wow, that's great.
How cute!
You know?
Yeah.
So I have just little scraps and like little knickknacks from the trip, tickets.
There's so
and
much
things.
fun in there.
So yeah, I was so happy when you emailed.
Oh, good.
I think I sent my email back in all caps.
Well, yes, I
Of
think it was
how
a big
excited
yay.
I was
You know, I was like,
for
oh, whoa.
scrapbooking.
Scrapbooking. And then this was just, I'm not an avid scrapbooker. I just came up with the idea after I sent out a public cry for help and no one helped me. No, that's not true. A lot of people, John David, not just
my gosh.
No, a lot of you had
helped.
ideas to get like household items or towels or dorm room stuff, but I can assure you this child is taken care of in every aspect when it came to that.
Yeah, the
So
scrapbook you're making, right?
Right, yeah. So then I went, okay, I'll get a little sentimental. We'll just do a little auntie gift and, you know,
that's
throw money
great.
in between.
That's really, really great. So yeah, I took this picture of myself off of the community education catalog because I thought, oh gosh, I need a picture. Now, you could, it was being talked about if we had a Polaroid camera.
That's what I
That'd
said.
be neat, you know,
I said
so
we
that's
should have
something
brought
for
one.
home, you know? Yeah, you could get a Polaroid camera, or there's a Polaroid printer. Like a mini Polaroid printer.
I've seen
It's
those.
kind of wireless and you can send your pictures to that. And this is a great project to work on if you don't actually have your pictures, you know, in some physical way.
Yeah, that's,
you know,
I
off of
feel
your
like a
phone.
big deal right now. A lot of people forget to print them because of Facebook albums or whatever online that they're using.
Yep.
It's like you don't realize that you still have to make photo albums.
Yes, for the memories, or you know, you don't have to make these to document anything. You can just make them to make them.
Oh yeah, because we were talking about vision boards too.
Yeah,
We're
journals
just
too. I brought that
whatever,
up.
whatever you want it to be.
Yeah,
folks.
exactly.
All right, well, guess what? We have this coming up. We're going to be perfecting our little scrapbook pages right here after the break. Stick around, or, you know, you at home, bust out your crafts. It's time. We'll be back.